In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to review and manage bounced emails in Constant Contact. Keeping your email list healthy is essential for strong deliverability and accurate reporting. Bounced emails are messages that couldn't be delivered to a recipient's inbox, and tracking them helps you avoid sending to addresses that harm your sender reputation. Today, I'll walk you through how to find your bounce data and make smart decisions to keep your list clean and effective. First, log in to your Constant Contact account. Once you're signed in, make sure you're on the right account profile for the list you manage. It's a simple start, but it ensures that the data you're about to review reflects the correct campaigns and contacts. Next, navigate to Reports, sometimes labeled Email Campaign Reports depending on your view. This section is your performance hub. Here you can see delivered rates, opens, clicks, and importantly, bounces. If you manage many campaigns, you may want to filter or sort by send date to quickly find the ones you want to analyze. Open the sent email campaign you want to review. Pick a campaign that has fully completed sending so the numbers are stable. Opening the campaign details gives you an at-a-glance summary. But for bounces, we'll go deeper. Click the bounce report or the bounced email section. This section may be labeled bounces or bounce report and will break down which contacts didn't receive the message. You'll often see reasons like mailbox full, invalid address, or blocked. These reasons help you decide what action to take. Review the list of bounced contacts carefully. Look for patterns. Are there repeated bounces from the same domain or many typos such as missing dots or extra characters? You'll typically see two categories of bounces. Hard bounces indicate a permanent issue, like an address that doesn't exist. Soft bounces are usually temporary, such as a full mailbox or a server timeout. Understanding the difference helps you avoid removing contacts that might still be reachable later. Finally, update, remove, or manage bounced addresses to keep your list clean. Correct obvious typos if you recognize them, especially in domains. For hard bounces or addresses that have bounced repeatedly, consider removing them or marking them so they won't be sent future campaigns. For soft bounces, you might wait and monitor if the issue resolves in a later send before taking permanent action. Keeping notes on why you changed a contact's status can save time later and maintain compliance with your list policies. By regularly checking your bounce report and tidying up your contacts, you'll improve deliverability, protect your sender reputation, and get more reliable engagement data from every campaign.